Cannigan is live at Market Mall. Jordan, a whole lot of toys were being bought, all for a cause.
Yeah, I know, a whole lot of toys.
And a little Christmas joy is on the way for clients of the Calgary Women's Emergency Shelter. CTV Calgary's third annual Toy Mountain campaign has been a huge success. Today, thousands of toys and essential items are being sorted at the AMJ Campbell warehouse. The items will be used by clients at the shelter at Christmas and all throughout the year. Despite a tough economic year, supporters have so far donated $261,000 and more than 9,000 toys.
So far, this campaign has raised hundreds of thousands of dollars and is helping stuff the studios of our sister radio stations as well. Have you ever wondered what $5,000 worth of toys at Toys R Us looks like? It looks like that.
We want to make sure everyone has something special for Christmas.
We are overwhelmed by the extreme generosity of Calgary and thank them so very much.